everyone, welcome to Crack Defense. Today's session is about sentence completion and close test. So as you all may have seen videos of parts of speech and spotting error. So some rules are applicable for sentence completion and close test. So therefore it's an humble request to all the candidates that if you haven't seen those videos and grammar rules, please watch those videos. As I have mentioned a note over here as well, that if one wants to solve the exercises of sentence completion and close test, then one should keep on revising parts of speech and grammar rules. See, this part, that is the parts of speech and grammar rules, over here you have to just keep on revising these parts, because only this part, this section of English will be useful for you all to cover 2 to 3 topics of UPSC examinations, like spotting error, then jumbled sentences, sentence completion, close test. So you can see that only one section, that studying only one section is useful to grab more and more questions regarding 3-4 sections in one examination. So if one gets adept in these grammar rules and parts of speech, he can easily solve 30 to 35 questions in any UPSC examination. Now we'll start with our video. Now over here I am directly starting with exercises, because there is no point over here of revising each and every rule, grammar rule again and again. So one should please go and watch the videos of parts of speech and spotting error. You will get each and every rule over there. Now over here there are certain sentences, and these are the examples of sentence completion. Now when you want to fill up these gaps, then you should try effective words, phrases, prepositions and conjunctions. So in the similar way, we will try to solve as many as problems are possible of sentence completion and close test. So here we begin. Sentence number 1, some of the luggage dash not yet arrived. Now over here, to fill up this blank, you have to see the other information. Now here they have mentioned some of the luggage. Now over here, this is the rule for luggage word, that it cannot be in the plural form. Now example, it is mentioned luggages, so it is an error. So you can get this type of question also in the spotting error. So luggage is always in the singular form, so that is a subject verb agreement. Luggage will take singular verb. Now over here, has is past tense. Okay, have is plural form, is present singular form, and are plural form. So this two gets omitted. Now we have to omit one option from A and C. Now some of the luggages has not arrived. Now over here we will omit this option, because the sentence right now is taking place, that is, it is in the present form. So we will use is, because is the verb is singular and it is in present tense. So the right option is option number C. Now second, one of the dash injured. Now over here they have given player was, players were, players was, players are. Now over here again I need to explain you all that one of the means there are many players, and among those all players, one of the players. So one thing is clear, that one of the, this phrase will take plural subject, so we will use players. Now one of the players was. Now why we are taking singular verb? Because we are right now addressing this one player out of all the players. So the right option is option number C. So please keep this in mind. Whenever the phrase one of the is mentioned, subject will be plural and verb will be singular. That is, subject is plural, verb is singular. Number third, he takes as if he were a fool. This is again a phrase. You, like I said, the President of India, we cannot manipulate this phrase. So similar way, whenever you have the clause of if, like he talk as if he were, then if will take word were only and not any other word. Like example, he behaves as if he were a god. He is not a god, right? So is. will get omitted. Was will also get omitted because he is behaving. Okay, and has been is wrong. Now over here it is the only word used, were. Please keep this in mind because the UPSC's favorite sentence is assumed. So right now you can get this type of question for sentence completion, for spotting error, or for jumbled sentences as well. So keep this in mind if clause will take word were. Question number 4. There is a visitor here. All right, man, I. Now over here this is a kind of speech, right? So over here we will see there is a visitor here. All right, man, I. Now example, the second person is telling you this sentence. There is a visitor here. Then we, that is the I'm replying back. All right, man, I shall be expecting this man. Was to expect this man. Am expecting this man. Had to expect this man. I am expecting this man will be the right option over here because right now I am expecting this man. So it have nothing to do with past tense, okay? And not even with the future tense. So the right option is option number B. Number 5th, can we start our match? The one player says, another player says, no, we cannot unless the referee will not give the signal, did not give the signal, gives the signal, does not give the signal. Now over here I'll tell you first the right option, that is option number B. Now why these 3 options are omitted? Because it is a rule that whenever you have word unless, we will not use any kind of negative words, that is not. So this is the right option, gives the signal. Number 6, despite severe drought, excellent results have been dashed in the agriculture sectors. Now over here, despite, it is being seen over here. Okay, so now we will not use noted. Noted is like this results are being from the long time and you have noted it right now. So this is not right option. Retain will also not be a right option, and as we see, retain is a synonym of achieve, so even C option is wrong. Now over here B option is a right option. A is not given because we are receiving something, we are not giving something. Okay, now number 7, the two sisters look so dash that it is difficult to tell one from other. Now, identical, same, resembling, similar, want. Now, want gets omitted, resembling gets omitted, same, identical, and similar. Now, we have to get our answer out of these 3 options. Now, over here, how we will omit certain options. The two sisters look so identical. See, identical are actually same, and even the cousins are not 100% similar. So we will not use identical. In verbal English we do use, but in written English we don't say identical. Okay, now over here same is not a proper, it is used for thing. We will use word similar. So the right option is D.
As always, I will see you in the next video.